For some time now, I've been talking about investing and putting your money in the stock market and all of that. Now, of course, if you want to do that, you need some sort of capital to be able to invest. Now, in this video, we're not going to look at that. We are not going to look at investing your money or anything like that. We are only going to look at a special feature on this particular platform that will be able to help you generate some money for yourself. You don't need any capital to do this. Before we go any further, I want to state that this is not an easy approach. This is not something that you're just going to click and then make a lot of money. It's going to take a while and it's going to take a lot of effort. So you just have to be prepared for that. The main app we are going to use for this is Bamboo. So if you don't have it, go into your App Store, Play Store, and search for Bamboo. After downloading the app, just go through the process of creating an account, going through the KYC to get it verified, and all of that. Now, after verification, it's going to take you to a page similar to this, right? Now, tap over here and then tap on invite a friend. Okay, now this is going to give you a link. This is a referral link. So this referral link, you're just going to share it to people and tell them to sign up for a Bamboo account. Now, look at this. It says that you're going to refer a friend and get 1% of their first fixed return logged over $100 or 2.5% of their first trade above $20. I'm more interested in the 2.5% of their first trade above $20, right? So what you have to do is just copy this link and then start talking to your friends. If you're currently in school and you can tell your friends to sign up on this and start using it, it's a cool thing to do, right? You just copy the link, you talk to a few friends, and then you share the link to them. You tell them, you know what, you can begin buying stocks, you can begin investing in the stock market, and you can make some money for yourself, right? This is my referral link. Use that, and then I'm going to get some sort of commission when you sign up. They're going to understand that, right? So all you have to do is just give them this link, and they are going to sign up using it. Now, let's do some math over here, okay? So if you're able to pull about 100 people, right, 100 of your friends to sign up to Bamboo using your link, and each of them invest about $100, right? So we have 100 multiplied by 100. We have $10,000, okay? Now, if you have 2.5% of that, okay, it means that you've been able to earn about $250, and you can go all the way up. So, for example, if you're in the university, you can take it upon yourself to just market Bamboo, talk about Bamboo, like tell people about it. You know, of course, it's a good thing. They help you to invest in the US stock market. It's not that bad, right? So you can just advertise it to so many people and tell them, you know what, just invest, into Facebook, invest into Netflix, something, anything that you use that you currently have, you can just buy a stock in there. And then it's not like you only buy liabilities by, buying things that you consume, like buying subscriptions or buying gadgets. Of course, you also own some assets, some share in that company. You talk to them with this sort of mindset, and a lot of people are going to be interested in investing some money in here. And of course, a lot of people do have money to invest. So over time, you realize that you'll be able to even generate money from this to even invest in the stock market yourself. So if you currently don't have any capital, for people who don't have any capital to put into the stock market, and because of that, you're not able to invest, you can go through this route, create this account, share it to people, and then when they invest, at least you get some commission off their investment. In fact, if you create content on Instagram or TikTok or even on YouTube here, you can even attach a link to that and then share it to your community, share it to the people who watch your videos all the time. Tell them about the app, tell them about how good it is. And a lot of people are going to click on that to create an account. And of course, when they invest, you're going to make some cool money for yourself, which from there, you're going to be able to also invest that into the stock market. If you're new to Bamboo or the US stock market, you should check out the video I posted on that recently. I've tagged it up there. Of course, if you're new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. If you have anything on your mind, leave it down below. My name is Alfred. I'm going to see you in another video. I'm out.